We've all experienced how annoying it is when we strip an Allen screw and we keep turning that Allen wrench but nothing is happening. Here are some quick, easy methods of how to remove a stripped Allen screw.
Method 1. Using channel lock pliers. If a strip screw is sticking out enough, use a pair of channel lock pliers to latch onto the Allen screw and turn the screw counterclockwise until removed. Method 2. Friction drops. Most hardware or auto parts stores sell friction drops which add resistance to remove the strip screw. Add a couple of drops to the strip screw head, then push your hex key into the screw. Begin turning counterclockwise until it is removed. Another idea is to place a wide rubber band or rubber glove over the strip screw head. Push hex key into the screw and begin turning counterclockwise. The rubber adds additional grip between the screw and the hex key that can allow the screw to come out. Method number 4, epoxy. An effective but messier option is to epoxy the strip screw to the hex key, but keep in mind that you will have to throw out the hex key afterwards. Spread epoxy into strip screw head, then push hex key into the screw and follow the epoxy's instructions for dry time and cleanup. Once dry, rotate the hex key counterclockwise until the screw is removed, then toss out. Method number 5, multi-tool. First, put on safety glasses. Begin cutting a straight cut big enough to fit a flathead screwdriver. Use screwdriver to rotate the screw counterclockwise until it is removed. If all else fails, there are different types of extractor bits that fit into your stripped Allen screw to remove it. You can find these at the hardware store or online. The grooves on the bit will grip the screw to easily remove it.